Next, we're going to recreate that bar chart. It doesn't give us the exact data, so we are going to have to just kind of estimate. It wants us to enter the labels for the x-axis in column A. So I am going to put the labels down along the bottom, manufacturers' automobiles. And then we have competitors. Ones, automobiles, and then we have I can spell competitor twos, automobiles. I better fix the other one. Oh, man, I can't spell competitor on either of them. Let's try that again. COMPETITOR. All right, so we've got manufacturer's automobiles, competitor one's automobiles, competitor two automobile. Again, if you want to widen that column, put that crosshair between the A and B column, slide that over so it's wide enough so you can see everything in there. Then it says enter the corresponding frequency data in column B. This is where you're going to have to estimate from the graph. You can't tell exactly what it is, but you can see that manufacturer automobile is just above the 98, and it's between 98 and 99, so we'll say that is about 98.1, 98.2, somewhere in there. I'm going to put 98.1. Competitor 1, it's between the 97 and the 98. It's maybe about halfway. 97.4, we'll say, or 97.5, somewhere in there. And then the next one is just a little bit above the 96. Let's go with 96.2. Again, we're just going to have to estimate the data from the picture there. So I got my labels in column A, my data in column B. I'm going to highlight both those two columns. And then I'm going to go to the Insert menu up at the top on the tabs. And I want to insert column. So if you look over here, that very top one under the charts, if I hold my cursor over there, it says insert column or bar chart. So we're going to click on that. And then we have to pick the view that we want to view. I like the one with headings and labels. Let me put a bar chart in there. There we go. If I hold my cursor over the top, if you slide over, you can see different views. That one just has the bars a little wider. That one we probably don't want. I'm going to just go ahead and go with that first one there. We'll just go with that first one. Now, if you need to make your graph a little bigger, you can grab the corner and resize it. If you want to move it around, you can move it around. You want to change the title on there. So we want to change this to Vehicles on the Road. I'm just going to click where it says Chart Title and highlight it so I can type in Vehicles on the Road. And I've got my labels. Other thing I might want to do is, I don't have a title over here on the side. Let me see if I can find a different one under the quick layout. So if I go over here to quick layout, let's see if I can find one that has labels along the side. There we go. So I picked that one right there. It was this one over here, layout 6. Puts my layout on the side. I don't know where that came from. I'm going to just get rid of that one because I don't want that, but I do want a title over there. The title over there says percent of cars on the road. So I'm going to change that to percent of cars on the road. All right. Let's see, what else do they have on here? They have different data along the sides. All right, the other thing we need to do is we need to change the information where they are labeling the axis. We just want it to say 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on those numbers, and you want the one with the 3 bars. That may be closed. It'll look like this. Axis options is what you want to look at. So we're going to go to the axis options. We want the minimum to be 95. We want the maximum to be 100. And then the units we want to go up by 1. And then you can see over here, now it has the 90, whoop, changed to 94. Let me switch that to 95 again. Decided to automatically change it on me. Oh, 95, maximum to be 100. And then we want to change those. And so I have the major axis at 1. Now we have 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100 like it looks on that previous thing. Again, if you would want to change the color of the bars, if you double click there on the bar and go to that first one, fill, you can change the color. Whoop. I got solid line. Fill. Oh, I got the line. There, get on the fill, I can change my colors. Over here, if I wanted to make different colored bars, and etc., so that you can make your chart how you want your chart or to match your chart up.